Hi everyone, it's Lynn Como with Close to My Heart, and today is an unveiling of a brand new promotion. It is called National Scrapbooking Day Celebrations, and you are invited to a celebration for the first weekend of May 6th and May 7th, with Close to My Heart. You can see right here in the blue link, it's going to be held on their Facebook page, and you can be a part of this celebration for free. We'll be working with exclusive product. It'll be a virtual event, and there'll be giveaways given out during this event as well. Let me show you the different bundles of what is in store for you to celebrate the day for National Scrapbooking. There are 5 bundles and then a major bundle, which is the big one that contains everything. But I'm just going to start out right now with the Good Vibes Scrapbooking bundle. What I love about when you click on the images or the item, you can exactly see in the description. If you scroll a little bit lower, this is exactly what is in the contents of the kit. You can see it listed here, shown here, the photo of what it is with all the beautiful papers. I think these papers are really pretty. I'm loving the colors, the cardstock that's included, and there's 6x12 flip flaps as well. And then you're going to be creating this artwork with Close to My Heart. Look at the pretty pattern paper and the layout. So this could be used for everyday life. I love the title, Every Picture Tells a Story. So there is a sticker sheet included. Now you can see that they're adding a 6x12 flip flap. So that's one side of it. And now when you flip it open, that's the other side of it. This page really is appealing too. I love the good vibes and the colors. And then you're also going to use another 6x12 flip flap. So Close to My Heart's going to show you how this all works and how you can put it together on this day, and it's for free. Isn't that really pretty? So that is the Good Vibes Scrapbooking Kit for $31.95. There is also another scrapbooking kit called Circles and Patterns. And this particular kit, let me show you, also contains, the circle thin cuts that you can see right here, as well as some die cuts, and also these stamp sets that the stamps that stamp on top of the circle thin cuts to give it some dimension and texture. There's cardstock, pattern paper. So here you can see the 2-page spread and all the circles that are 2-inch size that are thin cut. So you get a solid, you get a semicircle, as well as a circle cut into 4s, and then the star as 2. That is the second layout, and they're really pretty. I love the colors in here. This is everyday life. They're bright, they're cheerful, and Close to My Heart is going to show you all the details on how you can create this. Now, let me just show you that circle again, if I can. Just having my little issue here. There you go. So these right here, you can see this little star in the middle. These are all your thin cuts right here. Now, if you love to do mini albums, we have the Little Penguins Album Workshop Kit for $61.95. These have exclusive pattern paper, as well as all of these cardstock colors. It does contain a 6x6 mini album with page protectors, some die cuts, and then this cute, adorable penguin stamp set. So here you can see the product line that's inside the kit. And look how cute those stamps are. All the cute little penguins with a tutu, one with a tube for swimming, a camera, really adorable. Now you can use this any time of the year on cards, on scrapbooking, maybe even around the holidays if you like to make your own cards. Now here are the 6x6 scrapbook pages you'll see that you can use. Some of them have stamps, some of them have the die cuts. Photos are in 2x2, 3x3, 3x4, look how cute that is. 4x6 and 4x4. So you can see this is stamped. The penguins and the Just Chillin' are stamped too. And the last page. It's really adorable, but I wanted to show you that underneath each one of the bundles You will also see the kit contents, but then there's a list of additional supplies needed if you want to complete the project exactly as we are on the day of the event. Now for card makers, we have a Toast to You card making kit that will create really cute cards. There are 8 designs, 2 of each, with the Smarty Pants collection. So there's a stamp set, some sequins, and then here you have your paper pack and cardstock. So this might be for you when you like those puns that go along with the stamp set and an image. This is so cute. A Toast to You. Hey, cutie pie. I hope you're okay. So really adorable if this is right up your alley. Now you'll make these cards for free with Close to My Heart, May 6th, May 7th, if you'd like. So you're making 2 of each of these. They're going to show you all the different details of putting that together. So this just could be a wonderful day or time to spend with them. And if you miss out on the event, that's okay. It will be recorded. Many Wishes Card Making Workshop Kit is another adorable kit, and I really like this one because it has 2 stencils in here, silver gems, just a little bit of cardstock, 16 cards, so you can make 16. There are 4 card designs, you can make 4 of each, and a stamp set. So you have this all occasion stamp set, so you can use this again and again. And now, if you want to learn how to use stencils with oxide ink, this is the perfect opportunity to do that. Look at those beautiful flowers and the leaves that are using 2 stencils, and the oxide inks are creamy to work with. They really are, with just a strip of cardstock, and you can change out the sentiment to whatever you'd like. Here's a softer look. I believe there are 4 oxide inks that they use, so you can check out the list. But they're stunning cards. So once again, if you look down here below the product line, you will see the additional supplies needed. And I've already compiled one sheet that has everything listed for all of the supplies, even for the bundle, the National Scrapbooking Day Celebration Bundle. Now, if you are into savings, this is 30% savings. It would be $154.95, and you would get all 5 workshop kits that you can create with Close to My Heart. Here's the list of all 5 items, and I've compiled a list of all the additional supplies needed so you can check your stash. Now, as a special offer from me, if you are interested in making the product bundle of $154.95, I can offer you 1 item at half price. So you can talk to me, let me know through email, give me a call, send me a message through Facebook that this is something you're interested in so I could explain to you how it all works. Now, for my VIP subscribers, this is something that you could earn VIP credit on. When you earn VIP credit, you can turn around and use that credit on a separate order and purchase those supply items so that it won't cost you anything to get the extra inks or the supplies needed. So it's a great opportunity to use that if you have VIP credit that you're earning on this purchase. Well, I think that's a great opportunity for you to join in with Close to My Heart for National Scrapbooking Day celebration on May 6th and May 7th, and you can join in with Close to My Heart on this link on their Facebook page. So I would suggest making a purchase as soon as possible. Instructions will be posted soon, and you can also save on the bundle. But if you have any questions, I'd be happy to talk to you about it. Just send me an email and let me help you in any way I can. All right, well, this is a great opportunity for you to scrapbook May 6th, May 7th for free. Learn some new tips and tricks. Hopefully be a winner of some of the free giveaways and work with exclusive product. All right, thanks for checking it out, and I hope to see you there.